At Brignac Roofing, we understand that your home or business is one of your most valuable investments, and we are dedicated to providing top-notch roofing solutions that protect what matters most to you. With a stellar 5-star rating on Google, our reputation for excellence precedes us, and we are committed to delivering the highest quality service to every customer. When you choose Brignac Roofing for your roofing needs, you can rest assured that you are getting the best in the business. For residential replacement, we offer a comprehensive turnkey solution using top manufacturer names such as Owens Corning, Tamco, GAF, Atlas, and more. Our goal is to provide you with a roof that not only enhances the curb appeal of your home, but also provides lasting protection for years to come. In the realm of commercial replacement, we offer a diverse range of roofing replacement systems, including single and double-ply roofing (TPO), modified bitumen system, and more. Our expertise in handling commercial properties ensures that your business is safeguarded with a durable and reliable roofing solution. Additionally, we stand by our clients with small to mid-size repair work and maintenance for both residential and commercial properties. At Brignac Roofing, we understand the importance of regular maintenance and timely repairs to extend the life of your roof. When you choose Brignac Roofing, you are choosing a partner dedicated to your satisfaction and the protection of your property. With our 5-star reputation and commitment to quality, we are the clear choice for all your roofing needs. Thank you for considering Brignac Roofing, where your peace of mind is our priority.